Captivating, waterfront Colonial was built for the entertainer. Bright foyer opens to the dining room on one side and the living room to the other. French doors lead from the living room to the fireplaced family room, boasting an open floor plan great for hosting. No one has to miss the conversation between the living room and eat-in kitchen, west/center island west/cooktop, double wall oven, stainless steel apps, and so much more. Off the kitchen, step into the picture-perfect conservatory, making it an amazing space for starlight dinners or spending a rainy day reading. Stately master suite has a massive walk-in closet, access to the fourth bedroom perfect for office or nursery, and a lavish bath west/soaking tub and modern design. Other features: partially fin basement, hardwoods, central air, security, and more. Spend all season out on your tiered deck looking out to the patio and pond which you have access to. Experience it all here, privacy and convenience of being mins to major routes. You will not find another home like it.